and I find myself back in Melbourne. I was here a couple of weeks ago for my last video, and I don't know, I like it. I like city camping, so thought I'd come back again. You might recognise this place. I camped there a week or two ago. Check out the link in the description. I'm just walking over the Yarra River, and it's much busier tonight. Much busier than the last time I was here. It's school holidays now, and it's a Friday night, so I'm hoping that the location I chose to camp tonight is not too busy. Let's see, let's check it out, let's see what it's like. Just coming up to it now. Does this look like a good location or what? I think that may work. So if you're wondering where I am, I'm on South Bank, which is on the opposite side of the Yarra River. You will see Flinders Street Station, the Yarra River, and yeah, a bunch of people, a lot of families out tonight because it's school holidays. I hate Coldplay. I think I should do a hyperlapse shot to my destination. So there it is, smack bang in the middle of South Bank. A raised garden bed. And there seems to be pretty good coverage there. I'm going to be careful what I say as I'm walking around because people are going to be like, what? He's camping there? So I need to avoid using the words camping and things like that. But yeah, smack bang in the middle of South Bank. This is going to be a late in, early out sort of a camp, just because it's so popular and everything. So I'm going to go out, have a drink, I think. A little bit hungry at the moment, so rather than going straight to my location, I'm going to go down some little dark alley and cook some food. I can't do that in the location, it's too dark and there's too many people at the moment. Nearly got run over. Ooh, I'm gonna cook here. This looks like a good location. I forgot to bring a spoon. I just realised that this is going to be very difficult to eat without a spoon. As I'm waiting on these steps, I just looked behind me and I realised there's a bit of a... Oh, I don't know if I can get down there. Oh, I don't know what's down there. I think I can get down this way though. Well, that led me absolutely nowhere. Oh God, my shoe's wet. I don't have a spoon and I don't have anything that I can make into a spoon, so I'm going to try to drink this like soup. It's also raining now. Let's just hope that my bivvy's waterproof. So I'm all nutritioned up, had a good feed. Now I'm going to head out, have a drink somewhere, and then next time you see me, I'm going to be getting into my location, my camping place for the night. Okay, just heading back across the river now. It's much quieter now, so there's still people around, but not as many. So I think I can get up into my location without anyone seeing me if I plan it right, time it right. Just waiting for the cars to go. There's a couple of blokes up over there, but if I just casually come up here, I reckon I can get up in here. And you really can't see in here. I just set up my bivvy and I coughed loudly and a bunch of people are looking around trying to work out where the sound of the cough came from. Okay, there's no one around, so I'm quickly going to show you my setup for like half a second with the light on. That's it. That's all you're getting. I'm going to draw too much attention if I turn the light on for any longer. Good night. Morning. 8 a.m. Starting to get busy and I am very, very visible. I'm going to make a cup of tea. I forgot my porridge for breakfast, so I'm just going to have a cup of tea and sit up here, wake up a bit. You know, if people looked in here, they would see me. Just nobody actually thinks to look up here. Like this guy. But nobody even walks up close along here. If they did, they'd look straight up and see me, but yeah, nobody does. People have got stuff to do, they walk past. Don't have time to stop and look around. I do have a bit of camouflage though. I did bring a camouflage scarf. Ugh. So I could use that to hide stuff. And what I probably should have done is, last night I put all my stuff into that bag. It is very, very bright. So I probably, in hindsight, should have, covered it up, hidden it a bit better. That was the most visible thing. Oh, that's hot. A person has a laugh like a dying swan.
colder now than it was last night. I really don't want to get out of this sleeping bag. But it's getting quite busy now, so I don't know if you can see that behind me. Quite a few people walking past, so I'm going to have to leave here soon because chances are someone is going to look up, someone is going to see me, so... And I got to get my train back. I got to work today, so I should get going. Last time I was in Melbourne, I used a Tyvek bivvy, which is what I slept in last night. Sorry, that person walked very, very close, and they did that whole, where's that sound coming from? Oh, now they're stopping. What are they doing? Anyway, so last time I was in Melbourne, oh, they're coming back. Go away. I think she's lost. She's looking at her phone, could be looking at a GPS or something. I'm half expecting her to walk up behind me now. Where was I? Yeah, so my Tyvek bivvy, just really cheap eBay one, it was white, very, very visible, especially at night time. It's, you know, if somebody shines a light, it just reflects. So I tried dyeing it. Dye doesn't stick to it, so I dyed it completely green. I even poured the dye on straight, washed it afterwards, completely white again, so it can't be dyed. So I did the next best thing, which was buying a bunch of Sharpies and colouring it in. My kids did most of the colouring in. Well, actually no, I probably did, but they contributed a lot. So got their names on it. I've got a groomer's shake, have a few random inspirational messages. There's one here: never back down, never give up. That sounds really nice until I found out it's some really corny meme that's going around TikTok and whatnot at the moment. There's also another really good one here that just says, "You're not cool." Oh, thank you. That's nice of them. And yeah, and for some reason one of them drew a pair of scissors. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but yeah, a pair of scissors. It's in the tree. I hope that stays. Did you hear the brakes on those bikes? Man. Okay. All packed? I think I'm ready to go. Let's break out of here. Only got a few weird looks. So that was my camp up in there. Ooh, I just found an even better spot. How would this be for a spot to camp? Think I could get down there? One thing I should show you guys just before I go. A couple of weekends ago, I camped at the Little Blue building. I'm just about to pass it now, and if you have a look, they have resealed the building. They've done a really good job at it as well. So if I was to camp in there again, I'd have to find another way in, which probably means climbing over the wall somehow. I'm not sure how I'll do that. But yeah, lucky I got in before they sealed it up.
Anyway, I should probably end the video here. So, yeah, bye.